What do you do when you need images for a blog post? Or your company's website? Or that article about cats who explore space? You can't always get what you need with Google Image Search. And if you're looking for high-quality legal images or don't know photo editing, welcome to Headache Population U. That's all in the past with Yay Images, a company that lets you stream unlimited images at awesomely low prices. Yay Images offers customized subscription packages. There are different subscriptions that work for bloggers, digital marketers, print publications, and professionals. If you need images, we've got a package that's right for you. Our new search technology will help you find the image you want at a price you'll love. And if you want to get creative, you can even add filters and edit photos directly on our website. No need to buy Photoshop. Once you're finished editing, you'll get a link that you can paste directly onto your webpage. We will host the image for you using our world-class hosting technology. No more downloading and uploading. With streaming, using images just became easier, cheaper, faster, and way more awesome. Yay Images, created by and for online people.
Are you seeking high-quality, cost-effective, royalty-free stock photography and vectors? The only place to look is Yay Images. For business owners who need quick access to high-quality images for web publishing, websites, or multimedia presentations, it is the ultimate platform. Users of Yay Images may quickly create fantastic email marketing, excellent sales funnels, business forums, and online posts. For $9.90 monthly, it will allow you to have an unlimited number of web images. Users may now improve their searches by filtering the images by author, time, and keywords thanks to the inclusion of extra filters. Additionally, Yay Images provides you with a password to paste while editing your photographs. Because of this, there is no need for you to spend energy downloading, modifying, and publishing them. The ability for consumers to change stock photographs locally rather than repeatedly using Photoshop is the main advantage. Go through our Yay Images Appsumo lifetime deal review to learn more about the tool. What are Yay Images? Yay Images is an online photo website offers inexpensive, high quality that photographs for both professional and non-commercial use. Additionally, they provide immediate downloading for customers. Among the first microstock companies, Yay Images is Norwegian and has been offering high-quality authorized imagery since 2008. It contains 11 million images, 1.2 million graphics and logos, and 200,000 films for companies, startups, advertising agencies, and major media outlets worldwide. Yay Images regularly uploads millions of fresh multimedia content thanks to its expanding community of over 18,000 contributors from all over the world. How does Yay Images work? Yay Images is easy to browse because of its straightforward design. The access to photos, graphics, videos, and price options are visible, along with a search field where you may enter any terms you're interested in. Enter your search term and allow time for the findings to appear. To discover the findings you desire, use the filters on the left side of the screen. The photos can be sorted by content, vectors, colors, and other factors. Let's discuss some of Yay Images features. Over 6.5 million high-resolution stock images, free of charge sign-up and assistance. Online photo editing. Utilize as many online images as necessary. Outstanding graphic search tool. No additional fees. Suitable for all applications, including online and printing. Full authorization including standard and extensive clearance. Who needs to buy Yay Images Appsumo lifetime deal? Despite being available to everyone who might find it beneficial, the following professions stand to gain the most from Yay Images: cinematographers, freelance writers, trademarks, bloggers, news sources, internet advertisers. You need not work in any of these fields to get Yay Images handy. If you're looking for photos and movies without any licensing restrictions, Yay Images is the way to go. Why should you buy Yay Images Appsumo lifetime deal? Superb collection at your access. Yay Images offers a fantastic selection of 11 million images, 200,000 videos, and 1.2 million graphics for enterprises, startups, news sources, and advertising companies throughout the world. On the platform, users can quickly browse through hundreds of royalty-free stock photographs using the easy or complex search options on Windows, iOS, or Android mobile devices. The amazing variety enables people to advance their web business. Easily integrable, modern APIs allow you to connect to the extensive image database regardless of whether you need stock pictures for your technology platform, like developing apps or email campaigns. You may even smoothly include it on our websites. Include royalty-free authorization. This entails that there are no limitations on how often you could use any of Yay Images photographs on different networks or in various projects. Additionally, you have the option of editing the photos. Simple to use platform. Yay Images is a really user-friendly structure that makes it simple to utilize the site when looking for top stock photography for your company on any website. Simply input the category of images you're looking for and press the search bar. Reasonable cost. Yay Images offers the high-quality photographs you need at an incredible price if you're utilizing them for academic or work purposes. Almost anything can incorporate authorized photos, including conferences, internet sites, software, blogs, publications, marketing, and product promotion. Increase market share and brand impression. Keep in mind that using high-quality photos can increase brand experience, revenue, and customer traffic. Additionally, your material occasionally needs an aesthetic upgrade. The best strategy for branding is Yay Images. More than 12,500 creators live there. People can instantly produce eye-catching articles and high-performing advertisements with its assistance. Feature for visual search. You can find the ideal photograph using the graphical search option on Yay Images. To acquire the photograph you want, just pull and drop the licensed picture into the graphical search box and press search. Users can indeed further refine their query by utilizing search criteria, such as if you require blank spaces for text addition, the population you would like in your images, etc. Assured copyright protection. Furthermore, Yay Images provides consumers with a copyright protection policy that gives them up to $25,000 in coverage per photograph. You can get the necessary comfort of mind from this. Search based on color. Additionally, Yay has a color scheme search function so users can locate photographs that lack or have few color schemes. Whenever a customer is not clear about what they are searching for, this comes in handy. Editing in browser. Yay Images provides customers with an amazing experience by combining all the advantages of accessible websites with advanced tech. Yay Images is a built-in image manipulation device that allows you to quickly add content, adjust your photograph, or create a framework. You need not save the image, which is a huge advantage. You just need to copy, paste the plugin onto your website to finish. Availability of download history. With the downloadable records function, you can view all of your previous downloads in chronological sequence from within your account. This avoids you from looking for or purchasing the images repeatedly. Prime benefits of Yay Images lifetime deal with Appsumo. Multimedia systems and software are available from Appsumo at reasonable pricing. For consumers, they provide lifetime deals. You can get lifetime deals on Appsumo, which allows you to purchase a piece of Yay image once and use it forever. They sell software development applications at discounts ranging from 50% to 95%, and they launch 3 new deals each week. Additionally, each piece of software you buy from Appsumo comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Therefore, you can get a full refund if you decide that the program is not for you within the first 2 months. In the end, Yay Images is a fantastic replacement for other stock suppliers. The provided permissions are not convertible. They are therefore private to you or your business. Get lifetime access to Yay Images today. One-time purchase of $59 only.